Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Epic MyChart account and remove access to your patient portal, follow these simple steps, keeping in mind that account deletion policies vary by healthcare provider. Step 1. Sign into your MyChart account through your healthcare provider's patient portal using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your name or the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Look through the account settings for options like account management, privacy settings, or delete account. Some providers may offer a direct account deletion option. Step 4. If you don't find a delete account option, this is normal. Most healthcare providers don't allow patients to delete MyChart accounts independently due to medical record requirements. Step 5. Contact your healthcare provider's patient services department or MyChart support team. Explain that you want to close or deactivate your MyChart account. Step 6. Provide verification information such as your name, date of birth, and account details to confirm your identity when speaking with support staff. Step 7. Understand that while your portal access can be deactivated, your medical records will remain in the healthcare system as required by law. The provider will disable your login credentials and portal access. You should receive confirmation once your account has been deactivated, though your medical records will still be maintained by your healthcare provider. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.